Maharashtra 10th Hindi question paper May 2021. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vamsi Krishna. Today in this video I am going to tell about very important subject, very important language paper. That's going to be Hindi question paper May 2021, important of Maharashtra 10th class board. Friends, Hindi language is very important to every student, because if the students are able to understand Hindi language, the students are able to learn perfect Hindi language, even if they go anywhere to any place, they can easily speak in Hindi. So Hindi language itself is to speak well with others. So Hindi subject is very interesting subject, and it's there will be lots and lots of stories will be there in Hindi. And I suggest once again each and every student to watch the video completely. In this video I am going to say about Hindi paper. What are the important questions? What are the important questions may appear in the public exams? Very important. What are the important topics to be covered? What are the important essays, objective type, stories? Here we are going to discuss in this video. I suggest each and every student, once again I want to say is, if you want to know the exact and more information and the story and the details of Hindi paper for May 2021 of Maharashtra 10th class, in the description below of this video, you can find the information regarding Hindi paper. Very important. And what are the questions will definitely come in the exams? What are the topics in which students need to prepare well perfectly? Here we are going to discuss what are the lessons, how to understand Hindi language, how to understand the question paper. Very important. Each and every student who takes the final exam paper, just watch and thoroughly learn the question paper first. Learning the question paper first and preparing well is very important. Now here in this video, there are some important objective questions or important topics. ऐसे दो शब्दों जिनका परिवर्तन नहीं होता, गृह लक्ष्मी आरंभ, पढ़ोगे तो बढ़ोगे विषय पर 25 से 30 शब्दों में अपने विचार लिखिए। पर्यटन ज्ञान वृद्धि का साधन, विषय पर 25 से 30 शब्दों में अपने लिखिए, अपने विचार लिखिए। ऐसे शब्द जिनका अर्थ, फर्स्ट वन इज कमरा. These are very important. What is the meaning of ऐसे शब्दों, ऐसे दो शब्दों जिनका परिवर्तन, गृह लक्ष्मी आरंभ. Student first understand which is main important. गृह लक्ष्मी आरंभ, पढ़ोगे तो बढ़ोगे विषय पर 25 से 30 शब्दों में अपने विचार लिखिए. What is this? Student should understand. पढ़ोगे तो बढ़ोगे विषय पर, पढ़ोगे तो बढ़ोगे. Chapter, story, lesson, Hindi paper. Especially concentrate on the important topics. If you concentrate on the important topics, it is very easy. It is very easy to find the exact information regarding Hindi paper. The only one thing is students should be able to understand the lesson. Understanding the lesson, the question, the bit, whatever the bit you are watching, perfectly learn that particular bit 2-3 times, understand the answer, understand the question. What questions are available in the question paper of Hindi for Maharashtra 10th class for May 2020, very very important. Hindi paper. You are well perfect in the Hindi paper, definitely you will get a very good marks. To get above 90% of marks, the solution, the secret success formula in getting good marks in Hindi paper is practice. Practice. Understanding. First, before practicing, understanding is very important. If the students won't understand, if the students won't practice, it is very difficult. To get a good language in Hindi, to get a good marks in Hindi paper, first understand the lesson, understand the topic, understand the question, practice continuously. Then definitely you can get a good marks in the public exams without any. So Grahalakshmi R. पढ़ोगे तो पढ़ोगे विषय पर, पढ़ोगे तो पढ़ोगे, व्हाट इज दिस मीनिंग? फर्स्ट लर्न. शब्दों में अपने विचार लिखिए. पर्यटन ज्ञान वृद्धि का साधन. फ्रेंड्स, पर्यटन ज्ञान वृद्धि का साधन मीन्स व्हाट? राइट अबाउट पर्यटन. पर्यटन मीन्स व्हाट? पर्यटन ज्ञान वृद्धि का साधन. विषय पर 25 से शब्दों में अपने लिखित विचार किए. What is camera? What is the meaning of camera? Understand. Practice, understand slowly without. First, students after taking the question paper thoroughly just read the question paper first. First read the question paper. Slowly understand what questions are there, what kind of questions are available. First understand and write in the public examination slowly by remembering the answers. By remembering the answers regarding each and every question, first try to understand. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel, click on bell icon so that you get my updated next videos. Once again, if you want to know the details of most important Maharashtra 10th Hindi question paper May 2021, important. In the description below, check the details. Check the details in the description below. Very, very important. Regarding Hindi lessons, what lessons are available, what questions you need to prepare, how to prepare, how to get good marks. You can find in the description below of this video. Regarding Maharashtra 10th Hindi question paper May 2021. Important. Thank you so much.